And for more on the latest policies to support China's property market, I want to bring in Liu Zhiqin, Senior Research Fellow at Renmin University's Chongyang Institute for Financial Studies. Mr. Liu, so walk us through how significant you think the broadening of the scope of people eligible to enjoy the preferential policies of being a first-time home buyer. I mean, how significant is this move? We now have 5 major cities doing this. What does this mean for China's property market?
I should say from the new policy, we can see a turning point for the Chinese property market. As just mentioned, that all the stock market has also shown good performance and good expectation on the development of this market, because the real estate has been already waiting for a long time. So most of the cities we can see from different turning points. Some from the waiting and the seeing, now come to the waiting and the thinking. And for major policy cities, now they're trying to from waiting to action taken. So from these changes, we can see that a good prosperity for this real estate market in China. Most of the first-time buyers, this is a very strange name, but we have to say they really, for the new residents, the newcomers from the new cities, that they are the first buyer of the homes. But they are limited before that by the credit or loans, guarantees, and some financial support. Nowadays, if this policy has been lifted, that can emancipate and liberalize the most power of the potential of the new home buyers. So this is quite an important step. But how does it mean for the market future? I think we need time to see, because what the people need time to digest, to understand, and to prepare for the action taken. So I think it will take 6 months at least. We can see the temperature of the real estate market could be really improving.
So then give us a little bit more color in terms of the recovery of the property market, Mr. Liu. You mentioned that this could potentially be a turning point. We know there's often a lag between policy introduction, policy implementation, and impact as well. So maybe expand for our audience your outlook on China's property market recovery.
This is a real very good question, because from the policy introduction to implementation and also to the market reaction, we need some time, at least a half year or 6 months, because from the developers to the buyers, we need a lot of coordination between. But also, we need the government to constantly to issue a new policy, to new details to support the major changes and the policy, to give the confidence and also the courage of the potential buyer to buy homes in the cities. Because at the moment, I think the requirement for home is not the only or the single requirement for the market. They need confidence, they need good expectation for the future, and also they need really very diversified means of credits and loans in order to support their financial power. So in this way, that all the policies should be really coordinated and combined together. We cannot imagine that with one single policy, that with one night all this market could be well changed. But I think in the future that the market will be getting improved, especially for those potential new buyers. They will be encouraged to buy new homes in the new cities. This could be a very good potential for China's economic recovery as a whole, because we need such momentum already for several years.
All right, Mr. Liu, many thanks for your thoughts on that. That was